Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about research shows that what it does to humans when they feel they can do something and it's okay to start something new. And what can you do as a parent with your child to give this feeling that it is... he can really do something he can really do something good. What can you do as a parent to have this feeling grow and grow and grow in your child when it's growing up to become an adult one day? Okay, what does research show? When you have a feeling as an adult and as a child that you are good in some task or in something, that you can do something very well, research shows that you feel more satisfied, more happy with yourself, and you can solve problems way better and think in solutions. You can think in possibilities, and uh, you are a person that is okay to try out new things. You can deal with change, and you're better. You're not feeling low energy, and you do not have a lot of fear. You have better results at school and at work, and you take the responsibility for everything that you do. So I think those are very good things that you want to develop with your child, and things that a child starts to learn when it is very at a young age. It already starts to learn as soon as it's born. You already know that this baby will start to crawl first, and then start to walk. It will start to talk. It will, when it grows a little bit older, it's a toddler, it wants to dress him or herself without help, of course, want to try and show mom and dad that it can do it himself. When it becomes older, a school kid wants to go to sport without the parents, or they want to go to friends by themselves. And when it's getting a teenager, they want to show and grow in how to deal with finance, to choose your own friends, when to make homework. They want to go out with friends. They maybe even want to go on a holiday with friends. So they learn and they grow, and those are new things in their life. And what can you do as a parent to help them, give them the feeling that it's okay to try something new, and you are capable of trying something new, that you can learn new things? First of all, it already starts when it is very young, of course. When it starts to walk, we are there celebrating every step that a child is taking. When it starts to walk, we are, yes, you did one step. Yes, yes, yes. You're standing. Yes. And then it starts to be able to do 2 steps, and then we are, yes, 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 come on, you can do this, and start to do more and more and more steps. So all of them it can walk. So there we are celebrating. But as soon as a child becomes older and wants to learn new things, then we are as an adult more like, okay, well, be protective, and I don't know if it's really that good, but what if you can look at all the good things? For example, when your child, a toddler, wants to drink with a real cup by him or herself, and you're there like, oh well, the sweater or the t-shirt will get wet, I don't know if it's really that handy. But what if you make sure that you always have enough shirts or sweaters with you to change? that every time that your child wants to drink and takes a sip of water or whatever drink you serve your child, what's in the cup, that you can look at every sip that it takes, that it does work, and it has something in the mouth and it's really swallowing something, like, oh, it works, it works. And if you focus on all the good things every time that it went well, and not every time that there was something coming on the shirt, just don't say anything about when it is spoiling on the shirt, and say, yes, you are doing it great when it's really swallowing something and you think, oh yes, there's really some liquid coming down the mouth. So it's really working. The child is really drinking something. So that's good. So if you focus on everything that is good, and after this trying to drink, and you know the sweater is shirt or t-shirt is dirty, then you can say, okay, you just drank a little bit, so that's good. Are you done now with drinking? Yes, I'm done with drinking. Okay, well, let's change your shirt so that you can go on with your play, whatever you're doing at the moment. So in that way you also give feedback that it's not being perfect, but it's okay to be not perfect. We can just change it. No one died. Nothing really big happened. So you can still live. There's still time to breathe. It's just changing a shirt and put it in the wash machine after you come home. And there's always enough things to wash when you have small children. So see all the good things that are working and that are going well with your child. Focus on the good things, and that will really help your child. And of course, there are way more things that you can try and do, and I will give more tips in the next episode. I hope to see you there. For now, I'd like to remind you of the introduction workshop of how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior when you raise children. It can be quite a challenge, and I will give an information workshop. And if you want to be on the list and know more about this workshop, then you can send an email, and more information you can see below at the description. I hope to see you in the next episode. Okay, bye bye.